Majestic from first glance. Impressive down to its final detail. Calstock's combination of country heritage and renovated refinement puts it unequivocally in a class of its own. Acknowledged as one of the nation's finest examples of Georgian design, long regarded as one of Tasmania's most treasured properties, Calstock has played a prominent role in the rural sphere, in the thoroughbred racing world, and in hospitality space during its rich history. More recently, this spectacular circa 1831 property has received the benefits of a renovation that has been compelling in its refinement and comprehensive in its reach. Period elegance and modern excellence have been seamlessly, successfully integrated throughout interior spaces, where grandeur and grace are memorably matched. Evocative sitting and dining rooms, each retaining their marble fireplace, are impressive yet not imposing, while a kitchen that's modern in mood and exceptional in size features solid timber surfaces, ample storage, and Miele appliances. The conservatory space for informal dining and living overlooks garden leafiness and sees the sky and stars above its glass ceiling at night. The luxurious accommodation of 4 bedrooms arranged over upstairs and downstairs levels is accompanied by dual studies and 4 desirable bathrooms. Gorgeous gardens and grounds that surround Calstock are dotted with a series of wonderful outbuildings, including a modern machinery shed. A productive kitchen garden, generous glasshouse, and sweeping expanses of lush lawn are surveyed from the homestead's romantic verandas. A pair of 2-bedroom apartments in the Woolstore provide perfect, entirely self-contained accommodation, while 4 superb guest bedrooms, each with its own flawless ensuite, define the main residence's 2 beautiful rear wings. The classical stables and Woolstore buildings have been entirely reimagined and reinvented as versatile venues for entertaining on a grand scale, served by a fully equipped commercial kitchen. Surrounded by some 30 rolling acres, only moments from Deloraine's shops and services, less than an hour from Central Launceston, the airport and the Spirit of Tasmania ferry terminal, this landmark property where 2 legendary Melbourne Cup winners, Malua and Sheet Anchor, were bred, offers the opportunity to acquire, enjoy and conserve one of Australia's most desirable country estates. Calstock, Tasmania, Australia.